Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can install MongoDB and MongoDB Shell in Windows. So first you want to go to your Google Chrome or whatever internet browser you have, and then you want to search MongoDB, and then you want to click on the first link right here, and when you're here in the website you want to go to your products right here, click on it, and go to the community edition, click on it. And then when you're here, scroll down and click on this download community. You need to scroll down again. I'm gonna choose the last version and I'm using Windows 64, and you wanna choose the package should be MSI and you click download. And as you can see, it is downloading right now and you can just wait for it. Okay, so after you finish installing, you can just click on it. So this installation setup will appear and you can just click next, accept the terms, next again. And there are two options of the setup. Usually people tend to choose the custom one, and it is the recommended version, so I'm gonna choose the custom one. And then you can browse the location of your installation, and I'm just gonna keep it on C. Click next, and then check these two right here, click next again, next, and install. And you can just wait for the installment to complete. Alright, so what you want to do is you click finish, and then you can click start. And when you're here, you want to go to add new connection. You can call this whatever you want. The name, I'm gonna call it test, and save and connect. Hit this one. Now what you want to do is go to this test right here, click on the plus icon, and you can call this database name whatever you want. Let's call it demo, and call the collection, I'm gonna call it demo db, and create database. And there you go. So you can import your data, you can add a data and everything. So now I'm gonna show you how you can download MongoDB Shell. So first, when you're here, you can just search for MongoDB Shell. Alright, now you can click on the first link right here. And when you're here, you need to scroll down, and you need to choose the version. I'm going to choose the 2.5.5, which is the newest one, and the platform Windows 64, and the package is on zip. You can change this into MSI if you want, but I'm going to keep it on zip. You can download. Alright, so it is finished, so I'm going to show in a folder. Alright, so here's the download. I'm going to right click it, and I'm going to extract it with WinRAR. Here you go. Now what you want to do is open up this file, open up again, and in order to install this, you need to go to your file location. You need to copy it. I'm gonna show you how. You're gonna go to this here, and you need to copy the file location. You need to copy the file location by clicking here and Control C. After that, you need to go to your start window and type in environment. Click on this one. Click on environment variables, and then go to this path variable right here, click edit, click new, and hit Control V to paste. Hit OK, OK, and OK. So now you've installed Mongo and MongoDB Shell. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.